I bought a new boat.
You did that last time, you know we're gonna find you. Taking the course, 'cause you're not up to par. Out in the main streets, completing your mission.
Yeah, I think the engine just blew like a rod or something. Get off, get off, get off.
Warning.
Welcome back, YouTuber family. Welcome back to the Paul Family Ranch channel. We're still here at Paul Reserve. We're here.
Workshopping that, huh?
Hey, fuck you, bro. I'm filming.
Sorry, go ahead.
What do you want to call it?
Jake Paulers.
What's up, Jake Paulers? I just bought a $500,000 boat, and it is arriving here today.